What's it?
KO!
What you going to say? What?
I was in the 3rd grade. People treated me like a criminal because I killed somebody.
Cameron, no. I don't care. I don't care. You cannot jump on the counter. We're black.
I don't know about the whole black and white thing, but I just want to give my little comment on this. Give you a little cat drip 101. If you are spraying your cats with water while they're on the sink, the bathroom, or anything like that, you best believe once you leave, oh, they back on there. They back on there. And if you're wondering if this hat really hurts DJ Ravioli, oh, it's too tight on his head, nah, homie, it comes right off. Keep it kitty litty, cat fam. We love you. Bye.
Hi! Oh my god! Hi! 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 Oh my god! Where did you come from? What is happening? Hi! What? I don't know what to do now. Am I your mom now? What is happening? I don't know what to do.
Scar! Brother, help me!
Long live the king.
If your cat's like mine and only likes to lick the gravy out of his wet food and leave the rest of it there, and also doesn't like to drink very much water, this is what you're gonna do. Ready? That's what it looks like before. I'll normally just like splat it in there, like, yeah. And then I'll use the fork to mush it down, okay? Then what that guy does is he just licks it, like licks all the gravy and leaves the big parts. You're gonna add water. Get down! I had to move it over here, but yeah, so add water. And then you're gonna mix it in, okay? I'll be right back. So now you have like that kind of consistency. Depending on your cat, it might be different. And this entire time he's been following me, so he's ready for it. Go to your spot! Go to your spot, come on! Go on, go to your spot! Can you sit? Good boy! He is obsessed. Take a look at how it's going. Is it gone? Wow, good job, buddy!
Number 30. Do you know sine 2x over x? Max. Okay, so sine x over x as x approaches 0 is always 1.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I know. Here, watch out. Oh, poor Kim. Stop, Kimmy, stop. Stop, Kim.
This is Hank. He is a senior diabetic cat, and first we start by clipping off his weapons. I'm bathing him twice in an aloe vera shampoo, and then I will condition him. His undercoat is very matted, and this will hopefully loosen it up. I'm bathing him using my Barquet cuffs, which prevents water from dripping down my arm onto my shirt. Cats often panic when you put water in their face, so instead I wipe his face clean using a hypoallergenic wipe. Hank thoroughly enjoys the high-velocity dryer, which is very unusual for a cat, so much so that he will actually lift his leg in a certain position so I can get his tickle spot. After Hank has been fully blown dry, I use a metal comb to get through all of his matting. After that, I will switch to the Equi-Groomer to finish off his D-shed. From there, I will spray him down with the Tropiclean spray. It's very important when using products on cats that they are in fact safe for cats.
Ronan, you're supposed to be dragging shavings to the stall. And why is that?
There's a cat on my head.
Casey, you are not helping. Not at all.
Little baby man, 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 little baby man.
Hi Mom, thanks, it's cold. I want to go outside again. Hurry, hurry. Oh shit, it's still cold. Hi Mom, I'm okay? Hi Mom, I'm still okay. What do you want? Look Mom, I am a snow loaf. Hi bestie. I'm warm now. I love you Mom.
I said, do you wanna fight me? Do you wanna catch these hands? Bitch, I'll catch you in the streets. I'm with that beef. Bitch, I'll beat your ass.
Okay, so here's the size comparison between the two cats I have. This is Napkin. I just got her like 2 days ago. Super sweet. Really like less than a pound, I think. Oh god. Alright, come on. Come here. And this is Egg Roll. He's 8 pounds and he's only 6 months old. I think he's part Maine Coon, so he's gonna keep growing. I won't be able to pick him up eventually. They don't really get along yet.
This is what happens when I come home smelling like another cat. Dude, this cat's gonna kill me! Nick. Please.
You're magical. Yes, you're powerful. You're loving. You're fabulous. You're amazing. Yes, you're all those things and so much more. Yes, believe in yourself. Yes, believe in yourself. Yes.
Travis, I need to talk to you.
What?
Oh. This is a private conversation. So.
Kale? Why? Το κολαράκο σου? Το ποδαράκι σου, την κυλίτσα σου? Ναι. Αχ, είναι πολύ ζεστό το νερό. Έλα, Τούλα.
Where did all my eyelashes go? Moose, did you eat my eyelashes off?
Can I take your baby? No? Okay, sorry.
This is so cute.
Come here, I got you something. You're gonna love it. I'm really excited. I think you're really gonna like it. No, I didn't.